So in this question, we have to prove that the left-hand side is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Now, let's work through it together. So we have that sine squared open bracket minus theta minus cos squared open bracket minus theta, all divided by sine minus theta minus cos minus theta is equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Now, recall that if I have sine squared theta, this is expressed as sine theta all squared. So therefore, we now have that the numerator becomes minus sine theta all squared minus cos theta all squared, all divided by minus sine theta plus cos theta. And we have to show that this is equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Also note that if I have minus 2 all squared, this is equal to 4, which can also be expressed as 2 squared. So therefore, the numerator becomes sine theta all squared minus cos theta all squared divided by minus sine theta plus cos theta. And we have to show that this is equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Now, if you look at the numerator, you observe that the numerator is a difference of 2 squared. So we know that if I have a squared minus b squared, for a difference of 2 squared, this is expressed as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So therefore, the numerator becomes sine theta plus cos theta, or multiply by sine theta minus cos theta. And this is divided by minus sine theta plus cos theta. So at this point, this will cancel out this. So we are left with minus open bracket sine theta minus cos theta, which is equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Now at this point, we are very close to obtain the right hand side. So what do? We multiply this expression at the left hand side by a negative sign. This becomes minus sine theta, minus times minus is plus cos theta, equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Now at this point, if we rearrange the left hand side, we have that this is cos theta minus sine theta, which is equal to cos theta minus sine theta. First, at this point, we have been able to show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.